Hello and welcome to from Mixologist. Obviously, if you've been watching the channel, you know I generally start on the other position. So today we're carrying on with the cleaning of this Holley 6-pack set of carbs. So as you can see, I started them off on the ultrasonic cleaner this morning. Now, how the water looks now, how the units look now. And therefore what I need to do now is I need to take kind of piece by piece all the items that are here, and every single one of them I need to clean them with a combination of either an old toothbrush like so, or sometimes for slightly more stubborn things, this little bit of wire wool that I've got there. In the UK they're called soap-filled pads. They're actually really effective at removing dirt. So this is going to allow me to clean every single part, and it's going to then, after this, the next stage in the cleaning process is going to be the blasting cabinet. Generally what I tend to do when I've got a lot of parts is I use two buckets, because using another bucket allows you to see which are the bits that still need extra cleaning, like what I'm doing now. Just rinse them off like this, and sometimes you need to hit them with a bit of this. But anyway, what I'll do is I'll roll the camera kind of a bit fast forward, and then I'll show you kind of how it all looks once this is done. Okay, so now I've done the what I call initial cleaning, and at this stage the only thing that I'm doing is making sure that the parts are clean enough to be able to pick them up without getting my fingers dirty, and they are clean enough for me to be able to inspect them to see if they've got any cracks or any defects of the sort, which this one luckily they don't. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them another round of ultrasonic cleaning, because I've determined which are the parts that are going back. Okay, so phase 2 of cleaning is now done. So the parts went back in the ultrasonic cleaner, I cleaned them again, dried them, and the objective of phase 2 cleaning is now you need to get to a level of cleanliness where you can lick the parts, and they should be fine for you to do that. So that now what I need to do is I need to prepare the parts to go in the blasting cabinet, and I'm going to show you the process of the blasting cabinet. I'm going to show you a bit how that is done. Okay, so now this is the result of the blasting process, and the reason I do blasting, I use bead blasting in this particular case, is because it's very good to get into places like this that would be very difficult to clean otherwise. And also, I don't know if you noticed in previous videos, but all of these areas are extremely difficult to clean by hand. Or they're extremely difficult to clean. So therefore using the blasting cabinet is a much better way of cleaning through those areas. So this brings me to the end of the cleaning process for the 6-pack set of carbs, and what I will show you is the only item of this carb that got rebuilt already, which is the metering block. And the reason is because it was clean enough. I had all the parts, so I said might as well just build it. but all of the rest is gonna go into storage. Why? Because I need to buy the parts. So this is gonna be a kind of long-term project. I need to chase parts all over the planet, and therefore once I've got all the parts, at least I've got everything clean here, so assembling it shouldn't take that long. So that's it. That's the end of the kind of 6-pack series for the foreseeable future. So I've got some interesting projects coming up, so I'll see you on the next episode. See ya.